Hello mga kajole, mga jole. Gulat kayo no? What we have here right now is handa na po yung drone natin, yung battery. Yung drone, battery chargers, extra cellphone, cover, bags niya, ito, accessories, controls. GoPro natin, okay na yung Creator Edition handle, extra excuse me, extra battery and mga wires, and then pupunta na dapat tayo dun sa kukuhanan natin ng aerial footage, which is yung Cornwall Park. So na search ko dito sa Cornwall Park. Unfortunately hindi siya pwede liparan ng drone, so tumawag ako sa admin kung pwede tayo mag-ask ng information or makakalipad tayo doon. So ayun, pina-email ako, sabi nila mag-email muna kasi magpaalam pa sila sa council or sa management. So ito yung email natin sa kanila. Pupunta na dapat ako, na-insyame ako para sure lang, chinik ko, hindi talaga pwedeng lumipad doon without their permission. Case to case basis naman, sabi ko. Content creator, vlogger, photographer, artist. So ito po yung natin, permission to take. Yan, permission to take aerial footage or video. Kaya ora. Yan kasi ang nito. Parang good morning or hi. Hi, good morning. How are you today? By the way, my name is Romel Junasa, currently promoting internationally New Zealand beautiful places, landscape, parks, and tourist destinations, especially here in Auckland. May I ask permission to take aerial footage video with my drone at Cornwall open ground so I can share the hidden gems in this place in my social media platforms. With this, all the people and tourists around the globe see the beauty of this place through with this, people and tourists all around the globe can see the true beauty of this place. I'm so excited with this project so everyone can witness the beauty of Auckland, especially in Cornwall. Thank you very much for your kind consideration. God bless. Romel Junasa. So magantay muna tayo sa magantay muna tayo sa reply nila, hopefully within this day or before sa lunch time, para may time pa tayong pumunta doon. So hang time muna tayo ngayon mga kajole. So kakain muna ako at maligo while waiting. Goodbye.